Hello everyone and welcome to our look at this versatile Hyomdeck folding bed for your modern guest room. This portable bed features an adjustable backrest so you can sit up or lay back very comfortably now. You will enjoy the thick memory foam mattress that provides excellent support and pressure relief all night long. Its sturdy metal frame ensures stability while the included dust cover keeps everything clean during your storage periods. The compact design folds down to just 12 inches thick to fit easily into any small bedroom closet. Smooth wheels make it simple to move, and the quick assembly requires no extra tools at all today. This is the perfect sleeping solution for your guests, office naps, or even as a cozy portable daybed. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.